I was gifted these bed pads by a brand, and so I want to share my honest review of it, and let's unbox these together. Okay, so here we go. All right, so these are the extra large bed pads by MKISS. They are 30 inches by 36 inches, and they have several layers to them. Premium disposable bed pads, which is nice so that they can be thrown away. I like that. And what else does it say? Okay, so there's several uses that you can use for these. It says post-operative care use. So like if you have a surgery, you can use these and catch the whatever that comes out. Baby diaper pads use. It's great for babies because you know what comes out of them. Wheelchair use. That's a really good idea for that. You can just lay it in the bottom of a wheelchair. Pet training, that is a big one for us because we have 3 dogs and they do not enjoy going outside to the bathroom when it's rainy. So we will definitely get used to that. Hospital nursing pads and women postpartum, assisted incontinence use, and just so many things that we can use for this. So, all right, let's open one of these and see how they come. Okay, so there's 50 that comes in this. That's extra large. And they are packaged well. So let's take one of these out. See how big they are. Okay. Ooh, they are big. All right, let's put that back over here. There we go. Okay, so, oh, that's a pretty color. So it says that they're supposed to be 30 inches by 36 inches. Let's just check that out. This looks really big to me. Okay, so I have my tape measure here. And if we measure across, that is 33 inches. Oh, all the way from one end to the other, actually. Okay, so like 35 and a half. And then from that end to this end is close to 30. Okay, so yeah, it's basically 30 by 36, which is good to know. And these are supposed to be durable. Okay, so if I turn this over, oh, what is this? Oh, okay, so it has these two things on the back of them. And if you take these off, then it's sticky. And so you can stick it to whatever you need to put it on, like the bed or the bottom of a wheelchair or your baby changing table, and it won't move around. So that's nice. And there's actually 2 of them. So I like that. Okay. It says that it's also supposed to be, it's maximum absorbency, and it has a leak lock technology. I do know that like there's several layers to this, which is nice. And so if I were to change my baby on this, or if my toddler was still, you know, potty training, I would be comfortable putting this in their bed, knowing that it's not going to move because it has these. And also that when it comes time to change it in the morning, then I'll just throw it away. So that's really nice. It's a nice large size, and I think that they sell them in different sizes. I just got the extra large, but I like what I see here. I like it. It doesn't feel cheap to me. It feels like a good quality fabric. Yeah. This is going to come in handy with our pets because when it rains, this is going to be really nice to have. If you got a smaller size, I imagine you would probably have to use like more of these, but I'm glad that I got 50 count because I can easily see us just using these whenever it rains or whenever it snows, and it's just a nice size. So yeah, I highly recommend. If you are in the market for something that you need to put on your thing so that you have to absorb something, this would work. The link is in the description below. Hit the like button if you liked this video, and subscribe if you want to hear more things that I drop for reviews. Everything that I review is something that I personally use and love, so follow along on my journey, and I would love to have you. So we will see you next time. Bye.